guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I post videos, and also to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So today today I will be doing the Never Have I Ever challenge. So I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm gonna just get right into the details. Alright, first one, it says, never have I tell a lie. I have. I'm ugly. I have tell a lie. Like if you not tell a lie, something wrong with you. Something definitely wrong with you. If you not tell a lie in your life, something is wrong with you. Something wrong with you. You need to go to hospital. Something is wrong with you. So next one. So never have I done something and blame it on my siblings. I have, too many times. Like it's when I have a brother or a sister, have to tell lie upon them. Even if it's not necessary, you have to tell lie upon them. Cause so most of the times when you do something, you don't want to get in a trouble. You ever just say, she do it or him do it or blah blah blah. You have to tell lie upon them. Alright, next one. No, never have I slept, whatever. Never have I slept in the dark. I have. It's like when I say never have I slept in the dark, I mean like gone your yard. Like gone, that's what I mean. But there are other ways. I mean when gone your yard and not electricity, no. But I know some people love sleep in the dark. Some people like with them the light, the bright up to the eye. I like sleep in a boat. So I have. Oh, the question was never have I slept in the dark, but I totally have. I have. Yeah, because my time I can't find the money. My parents can't find the money to pay the light bill. You have to sleep in the dark. Yes. Alright. Never have I ever gone to my bed hungry. I haven't. Never have I gone to my bed hungry. If I'm going to bed hungry, that's my choice. That is my choice. Because no matter how we not have it, I still not going to my bed hungry. Because I see my mother, she always, no matter for instance, say one bulla. Yeah. Say one bulla. She will starve herself. Just make me eat. There are 4 of us, but my other sister not there, but that's sure we know. Yeah. 3 away. Yeah. She will starve herself and make me eat. So I have never gone to my bed hungry. And if I got my bed hungry, that's basically my choice. Alright. Never have I pee in the dark. Never have I pee. Me never pee in the dark before. Because it's like when at night time when I get up to go to the bathroom, me turn on the light to go a bathroom. Me turn on the light to go a bathroom. So never have I peed in the dark. Never. Oh, you don't wanna know. Me pretty sure that almost every single picnic do this. Almost every single picnic do this. It says, never have I stolen money from my mother. I have. So many times. I lie. No. Sometimes me do it. Sometimes me do it. Not all the time, sometimes. If she have no silver and some of them we just take it out of her bag or so. Me just take it out of her bag. Yeah. not this one no. I think most people do it. I don't know. I'm just like come up with it in my head. So if you tell me what I do, if you tell me what I have a family, somewhere just say it. It says never have I stolen something from a shop. Never. I have never stolen something. I have never stolen something from a shop. Me never steal something from a shop before. Like never, 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 ever, never stolen something from a shop. And guys, no, like no mind me handwriting. Me handwriting ugly. No mind me handwriting. Alright, the other one is this is the last one. This is the last one. So never have I ever worn my sister's clothes. Like who not do that? Like it's not like have to be exactly her clothes. Like she it could have be her shoes, her earring, her chain. Like who not do that? Who not wear their sister thing? Like it's not like when you have a like for instance, say you go wear like a nice outfit and something. You can wear a nice outfit and something, and like if your sister have this the chain or the shoes or whatever to match where you walk away, like it in the same color or something, it in the same color, so you want put on that to make it look good with where you wear. So yeah, me have. Yeah, I haven't worn my sister's clothes. You know, like just like I said before, it doesn't exactly have to be your clothes. It could have be a necklace, earrings, shoes, socks, something. You know, exactly have to be your clothes. But yeah, I have, and she wear my things. She wear my accessories too. When I like Panama when she wear it. So yeah, it's because as a sister, we don't have to wear each other clothes or shoes or whatever. We don't have to wear it. So yeah, that's the end of my video. If you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, do all of them look nice something there. Yeah, do all of them look nice something there. And I want to say something again. Yesterday we post a video, right? And this person, I don't know who the person, I don't know who the person be. I don't know who this person be, but the person must tell him about my love life. That's like what I was saying. Somebody said they want about love life. Well, sorry to say, but I don't have a love life. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yeah. Mm-mm. Yes. No. Anyways, yeah, that's all I need to know. So yeah, that's it for this video. Wow. That's it. That is it for this video. Oh, and guys, I want one Q&A, so I want to do more than one Q&A. So if you guys want to ask me questions that you want to know, chat foolishness. If you guys want to know things about me, I will be doing a Q&A. So all you guys have to do is go down in the comments below and yeah, go down in the comments below and tell me what you guys want to know about more. And also I'm gonna put it on my Instagram story. So if you know anyone can do, you can put it in the comments down below, or you can go from Instagram or ask me the questions, because I will make put it up in 24 hours. I'm gonna put it up in 24 hours, so I'm gonna put it up in 24 hours, so and we have all the time when I need to ask me questions that I will be answering or make an answer for. So yeah, that is it for today's video. So yeah, if you love this video, if you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace.